T-minus 5 days until Buggies on the beach. Are you ready?
We are not ready. We're not even close to being ready.
Jeff.
Buggies near the beach? Oh yeah.
You know how many things I have to get done? I mean, trailers, vehicles, RV, everything. The list is so long, I don't even know how we're gonna make it happen.
You have a logistics supervisor. The real Caroline.
It's true. We didn't give ourselves enough time to prepare for Buggies on the beach, so we did what we do best, which is get a lot of things done in not a lot of time. While I was off stenciling the tires for the 917, James was working on the lenses for the headlight housings.
One thing about the 917 is finding parts for it. I have not found any parts online for these, especially the light lens covers that go on the body. We have one that's cracked all the way down the middle, so we're having to make these. So I've got online and we sourced this skylight, which goes in a house, and it's tinted, which is really cool. So it's going to give us a little dark tint, and it gives us that round dome look, kind of like this has. I still need to shorten this by 1/4 of an inch, so I can just do that by sanding it, and it'll fit absolutely perfect in here. Skylight. It's the only thing I could think of that had a bubble in it like this. And
So
it's tinted.
you thought skylight.
Skylight, I don't know why. It was just like plexiglass skylight. I mean,
Looks like it worked.
yeah, and I mean, hailstorms hit these things and they don't break, so it should work great for this cover when we're doing 150 miles an hour at Le Mans.
And of course, you cannot forget that all-nighter we pulled before the show to make sure everything was ready and we had a new video live.
Good morning. First show.
Who needs coffee when you got a laser 917?
Exactly. That's a great. I don't know what you just said.
You ready for the bunker run?
I don't know, man. I'm still like.
You're gonna do it. You're gonna do it.
We're gonna have to trade off because this is gonna be like a meat locker in here. Fractury fresh, baby.
That one, the second one turned out better than the first one. I'm sorry. The third one ended up being better than the first one.
You mean to leave that screwdriver in there?
Don't mess with me, dude.
Wait, what does it say again? Oh, Canada.
Dude. Ready to do this?
Ready to do this.
Poker Run 101.
I hope nobody's parked behind me because the rear view camera's not working.
This thing. Clear?
Yep. No. These people haul ass too.
You know where we're going?
No idea.
I have no idea.
Look how cool this thing is going down the road.
Holy crap, man. Where did they go? We are totally lost. We're time trialers.
Right. Yeah, we missed
In the
that
laser
turn.
917. We went by the whole pack so fast.
Now we're leading. No, we've been left behind. Are we going faster than 35 miles an hour, do you think?
I think we're just joyride.
Is there a fourth gear in this smoke? Where?
Is Caroline trying to call you?
Where are they?
James calling you.
A few wrong turns and an airdrop location later, we finally caught up with the Poker Run crowd.
Finding my own rhythm, playing my own drum, dancing to my own tune, baby, singing my own song. People they use my voice. Everybody listen up, I'm gonna make some noise. Breaking out for the first time. Breaking out, yeah. Breaking out to another scene. Breaking out, won't follow me.
Doing good.
Hot yet?
Getting there.
I hope that's exhaust leak. If it is, we're to blame.
Caroline?
On the second stop of the Poker Run, the 917 was making a really weird noise. We didn't really have any tools to figure out what was wrong with it, so we decided it was best to just let it ride.
Oh, we're having a great time. Actually, it's getting very, very comfortable to ride in. You get used to it. And the problem now, I'm really worried about this engine holding up for the rest of the Poker Run.
Breaking out for the first time. Breaking out, yeah. Breaking out to another scene. Breaking out, won't follow me.
Seven, you look pretty behind.
Where you at?
So what's happening? You having fun?
Yeah. I'm already kind of hot, but I can only imagine how hot you guys are right now. How is the 917?
Have you noticed that the
Opening the
doors
doors,
are going out?
keep up and down. Yeah, it's pretty funny. I'm like, oh yeah, look at the doors. You know, traveling behind you is pretty cool, but in front of you, dude, you look like legit. It's so cool.
What's up? Cruising around, got a okay hand so far, but got got an ace 2 Jackson at 3, which threw
My
me
next
off.
two cars are going to be 7s, so I'll have 4 of kind.
Oh, that'll be good then.
Think we're going to make it?
I think so. I got dash knee going on. This is the dash knee.
Anybody that's above 6 foot tall is really not going to fit in this thing.
Yeah, to change the clutch, you gotta be like that.
Pretty brutal.
Everybody listen up, I'm gonna make some noise. Breaking out for the first time. Breaking out, yeah. Breaking out to another scene. Breaking out, won't follow me. Making my own story, scripting my own plot, acting in my own scene, baby, giving it up. Writing my own part. No one's got a hold on me. I just do what I want.
We put the rot back in RotWheels today.
Not one spare tire between the two of you? What? How? You guys are gonna lose today.
They're race cars.
How do you? What do you get a flat? You got a jack? Lug wrench? Anything? A rope to tow it home with?
Hello there, and how are you guys doing? We're having fun here. We've finally gotten over the alcohol, but we're going to reassert ourselves with self-induced dementia.
Having fun.
cool hat, Freddie. I love it, and I'm fitting into the Volkswagen crew here quite well.
Hell yeah!
Sweet car, man. Man, I kept telling you, you ain't getting it back.
Thank you.
No speech.
How do you feel about redheads?
Scared, very scared.
How's it feel to be a winner?
I feel awesome. All the hard work and we get a kick-ass little award. I love it. It's great. It's been the best. Buggies on the Beach 2021.
It was an awesome year. Can't wait to come back next year.
Stay tuned, subscribe, hit that like button, and hit the notification bell. See you later.
If you enjoyed the 917 build or just want to support our YouTube channel, feel free to check out our website at hhwheelspro.com. We have all kinds of cool merch, stickers, and t-shirts.